another vlog. Today we have a special guest. Special guest, say hi. Oh, special guest. Mac, guys. This is Mac. We're going to bring him to go shower, like grooming. Say hi. You guys, so you can see Mac grooming. Now he's really messy. So after his grooming, he will, look better. And I'll give you guys an update. And we're bringing to like this new pet store, like grooming center, because the earlier time, oh my god, he's disturbing my mom and she's driving, and like the new grooming center, so hopefully it's good, right? My boy parked at like the new grooming place and it looks so good. He's so excited. Are you excited? We're gonna get lunch because we haven't taken lunch or breakfast yet. So we're gonna be like both like lunch and breakfast. Brunch. Just ordered my food. Even though I don't take egg, but there's like 2 eggs, so I don't know what to do with the egg. But now we're gonna enjoy our meal. So see you guys. Currently walking somewhere, not sure where, but just walk. Yeah. Now we are going to fetch Mac. And once we fetch, we will see him. What's your hat? Hi. No, 4 months left. These 2 dogs playing. Mac. Mac, we say hi. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Are you cute? That will be the end for this week video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and press the like button and click the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you guys can get notified whenever I post new videos.